Hi, I'm Dennis Pelly. I'm a neuroscientist. Just wanted to tell you about some new lenses. I had dense cataracts in both eyes, and so I decided last summer I should get some replacements, cataract operation. And I did some research and was very interested in the ArtIOL lenses, which were invented by my colleague Pablo ArtIOLs in Spain. So anyway, I flew to Murcia, got one lens replaced and then the other. And it's quite amazing because, the operation is almost immediate. It's like 20 minutes. And then it was like the whole world had been scrubbed clean. It was really quite incredible. I made some measurements. Central acuity is essentially normal. And then I wanted to measure something peripheral, so I measured acuity at 60 degrees. And acuity in my eye was about half as good as acuity in two of my friends with natural lenses out at 60 degrees. One nice feature of these lenses is that the two are focused. One is focused far and one is focused near, so I'm always in focus.